Best Powerline adapters provide reliable wired networking through existing electrical wiring, improving internet stability, speed, and coverage in hard-to-reach areas. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline adapters review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link Powerline Ethernet Adapter. This Powerline adapter is an excellent solution for extending wired Ethernet to areas where Wi-Fi routers or range extenders struggle. Using existing electrical wiring, its home plug AV2 technology delivers speeds up to AV2000 and can extend connectivity up to 750 feet, making it useful for multi-story homes, basements, garages, and attics. Its 2x2 MIMO with beamforming technology helps improve connection stability by directing data more efficiently, benefiting streaming, gaming, browsing, and work-from-home tasks. 2 gigabit Ethernet ports provide reliable wired connections for devices, such as PCs, smart TVs, and gaming consoles, while included Ethernet cables simplify setup. However, performance depends heavily on electrical wiring quality, distance, interference, and circuit configuration. Both adapters must be on the same electrical circuit and plugged directly into wall outlets rather than surge protectors. Overall, it's a convenient, cable-free networking solution when running new Ethernet wiring isn't practical. Now our second product is Tenda Powerline Adapter Kit. This home plug AV2 AV1000 Powerline adapter is a practical way to bring reliable wired internet to areas where Wi-Fi struggles. With speeds up to 1,000 megabits per second over existing electrical wiring, it can support HD streaming, online gaming, video calls, and everyday browsing with a more stable connection than wireless in many situations. Its biggest advantage is easy network expansion without drilling walls or running lengthy Ethernet cables. It works particularly well for basements, garages, upstairs rooms, and other hard-to-reach locations. The gigabit Ethernet port provides a secure wired connection for smart TVs, PCs, gaming consoles, and streaming devices. Setup is also straightforward. Plug in the adapters and press the pair button to establish the network. However, real-world speeds depend on your internet plan, wiring quality, distance, and electrical interference. For best results, connect both adapters directly to wall outlets on the same electrical circuit, avoiding surge protectors and power strips. Our third product is G.HN Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. This Powerline Ethernet adapter is a smart solution for creating a stable wired network without the hassle of running Ethernet cables through walls. By using your home's existing electrical wiring, it provides a reliable connection for gaming, streaming, remote work, and other bandwidth-demanding activities. Its gigabit Ethernet capability, combined with LDPC/FEC technology, helps maintain connection quality, reduce lag, and minimize dropped frames for smoother online experiences. The G.HN Wave 1 platform also allows you to connect up to 16 compatible Powerline devices, making it useful for expanding coverage across larger homes or offices. That Nexus Link's MIMO dual-phase technology is designed to improve performance in busy environments such as apartments and workplaces. Setup is simple. Plug the adapters into power and connect your devices. However, actual performance depends on electrical wiring and network conditions. Also, G.HN Wave 1 is not the fastest option available, so users seeking higher speeds may prefer G.HN Wave 2. Overall, it's a convenient and practical networking upgrade. Now number 4, TrendNet Powerline 500 Avenue Nano Adapter Kit. The TrendNet TPL 406 E2K Powerline 500 Avenue Nano Adapter Kit is a practical networking solution for extending wired internet without installing new Ethernet cables. The kit includes 2 adapters, with one connecting to your router and the other plugging into an electrical outlet in another room to provide convenient network access. Its Ethernet port makes it easy to hardwire a computer, smart TV, or other compatible device, while the encrypted Powerline signal automatically connects through your existing electrical system. The guided setup is simple and requires no CD. making installation quick even for users with limited networking experience. For larger homes or offices, the network can be expanded with up to 8 compatible adapters, allowing multiple rooms to receive wired connectivity. The 3-year manufacturer protection and English-speaking technical support add valuable peace of mind. However, actual performance can vary depending on electrical wiring and environmental conditions. Overall, this kit is a straightforward and flexible choice for extending reliable wired networking throughout your space. And our last choice is TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet adapter. This TP-Link Powerline adapter is a versatile solution for extending internet connectivity to areas where traditional Wi-Fi routers or range extenders struggle. Using existing electrical wiring, its HomePlug AV2 technology delivers up to AV1000 powerline speeds and can extend wired connectivity across challenging areas such as basements, garages, attics, and multi-story homes. The integrated AC 1200 dual-band Wi-Fi 5 adds flexibility, offering up to 867 megabits per second on 5 GHz and 300 megabits per second on 2.4 GHz for HD streaming, gaming, browsing, and large file transfers. A gigabit Ethernet port also provides a secure wired connection for desktops, smart TVs, and gaming consoles. Setup is refreshingly simple. Plug in 2 or more adapters, pair them, and start using the network. The pass-through outlet is another useful feature, allowing you to keep an electrical socket available. However, actual speeds depend heavily on wiring quality, distance, interference, and your internet plan. For best performance, adapters must connect directly to outlets on the same electrical circuit. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.